Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a natural supplement that's making waves, Quietum Plus. If you've been dealing with tinnitus, hearing difficulties, or just want to improve your overall ear health, this might be exactly what you need. Stick around because I'm covering everything you should know, from its amazing benefits to crucial tips before you buy. Let's dive in. First, an important warning. Quietum Plus has gained a lot of popularity, and unfortunately, fake versions are being sold on unauthorized websites. These counterfeits could be ineffective or even harmful. To ensure safety and authenticity, always purchase Quietum Plus from the official website. Plus, you'll get the 60-day money-back guarantee for a completely risk-free experience. So, what is Quietum Plus? It's a natural supplement designed to support ear health and reduce symptoms of tinnitus. Made with a powerful blend of herbs, vitamins, and minerals, Quietum Plus targets the root causes of hearing issues like inflammation and oxidative damage to improve your auditory system. Key benefits include tinnitus relief, reduces ringing and buzzing in the ears. Improved hearing clarity, supports better sound perception and understanding. Enhanced brain-ear connection, promotes better signal transmission between your ears and brain. Reduced inflammation, combats oxidative stress and inflammation that harm auditory cells. Overall wellness, its natural ingredients support better blood flow and brain health. Using Quietum Plus is simple. Take the recommended capsules daily, and let the formula work its magic. Many users report noticeable improvements in just weeks. Real results: thousands of people have experienced relief and better hearing with Quietum Plus. Alongside addressing tinnitus, users have shared improvements in energy, focus, and overall quality of life. If you're ready to say goodbye to tinnitus and enjoy better hearing, now is the time to try Quietum Plus. Remember to order directly from the official website to avoid counterfeits and secure your purchase. Click the link in the description below to get started today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.